Merhaba and hello. Today we will talk about the locative case. What is locative case? It's actually in, at, on. So let me write it. It's locative case. So at school, at home, at work, like this. We will talk about the locative case. We have a suffix for it. It's da. Today we will talk about only two alternatives. It's da or de. Maybe you remember the vowel harmony. I'm just going to focus on the vowel harmony today. So, for example, remember, araba means car. What if you want to say something is in the car? What do you say? Araba da. Araba da. Let's repeat with me. Arabada. Arabada. So it means in the car. For example, if you want to say I'm in the car, you remember from nominal sentences. I'm in the car. Ben arabadayım. So araba means car. Arabada, in the car. I'm in the car. It's arabadayım. Remember, we have to use asistan ye because the final vowel and the first vowel of the suffix, they cannot be together like one after each other. That's why we have to use it like this. Ben arabadayım. Sen arabadasın. You're in the car. She is, he is, it is in the car. Arabada. Biz, we are in the car. Arabadayız. We are in the car. You are plural or respectfully. Siz arabadasınız. You are in the car. And the last one, they are in the car. Onlar arabada o. Onlar arabadalar. Let's repeat. Arabadayım. Arabadasın. Arabada. Arabadayız. Arabadasınız. Arabadalar. And let's look at something else. What? A doctor. So I want to say I'm at the doctor. I'm at the doctor's office. I'm at the doctor's. So what do? It's doktor da. I'm at the doctor's. Doktordayım. You're at the doctor's. Doktordasın. She is at the doctor's. He is at the doctor's. It is at the doctor's. Doktorda. We are at the doctor's. Doktordayız. You're at the doctor's. The plural you or respectful you. And they are at the doctor's. Doktor da o. Doktordalar. Let's repeat. Doktorda. Doktordayım. Doktordasın. Doktorda. Doktordayız. Doktordasınız. Doktorda. Doktordalar. And let's do something here. So if the last vowel, let me write a table lady here. Sorry. Like this. If the last vowel of the word is a, o, u, we use da. Let's write some examples. Like arabada. Again, I have to finish it with da because the last vowel is a. So it is followed by a according to the vowel harmony. And doktor, the doctors, it ends with an o. See? So it's doktorda. I have to follow with a da. Let's write something. What is school? Do you remember school? What does school means in Turkish? Remember the places video? I think we have covered it there. School or okul. Okul. Okul means school. So the last vowel of okul is u. That's why I have to continue with de, da. So arabada, in the car. Doktorda, at the doctor's. Okulda, at school. So these are the rules. But remember, in the previous part, in the first part, I said we have two options. It's da or de. Let's do it. For example, what is ev? Ev means house. So I have to follow with de because I cannot say evda. It's difficult for my mouth. It's difficult for my mouth. So according to the vowel harmony, we connect with a similar sound. Like if the last vocal is e, we continue with e again, evde. So let's finish it. Sorry. So I'm at home. Ben, I'm at home. Evdeyim. Ben evdeyim. Sen evdesin. You are at home. O evde. She's at home. He's at home. It is at home. Biz evdeyiz. We are at home. Siz evdesiniz. Plural you or respectful you. Siz evdesiniz. You are at home. And onlar evde. They are at home or evdeler. So they are at home, they are at home. What do you see here? Because all of them, these are actually nominal sentences. Maybe you remember it from previous lessons, like I am, you are, we are sentences. So you continue with, you can use them with de, da, the locative case. Let me write the formula for it. So if the last vowel, if the last vocal of the word is e, I, ö, ü, you have to continue with an e. So it's de. What are the examples? At home, evde. At the hospital, hastane, de. Because the last vowel is e. So it's de. Hastane. You see, there are a sounds here, but it doesn't matter. I have to check the final sound, final vocal. Hastane de, at the hospital. Canteen de. Canteen. Look at here. I have a and I have e. What's the last vowel? It's e. So according to my chart, I have to continue with de. Canteen de. In the canteen. What about in the village? What is village? Maybe you remember. It means köy. Köy. So village. In the village, köy de. So according to the vowel harmony, I have to continue with de. And I find something like this, but I hope it makes sense. Gül. Gül means, as a noun, gül means rose. For example, you can say on the rose maybe. We can use it like there is a bee on the rose. Gülde. Gülde. I'm just writing this example so that you can see the vowel harmony with an ü. So the rule here is, let's write them all together. If the final sound is a, o, u, we have to continue with da. If the final vocal of the word is e, i, ö, ü, we have to continue with de. This is our rule. So what do? Like, this is the standard actually. You have to check the final vowel of the word to adapt the suffixes. Okay, so when we write da like this, it means, let's start with this, a can be e. That's why I write it capital. It changes. But look at here. I also wrote the sound capital. What does it mean? It changes as well. We will talk about in the next video. Okay? Görüşmek üzere.